You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hi nail fam, I hope you are well. So we're gonna do another set of nails today. I took off the ones that I previously had on. I used the Madam Glam gel polish remover. Then I took my Melody Susie drill and kind of filed any excess product. And then I used this clear builder gel from Savlon just to add a little bit of more strength to the nail. So once I've done all of that, I then go ahead and apply a thin layer of base gel to all of the nails. Once I'm done applying the base gel and curing them under my UV lamp for around 45 to 60 seconds, now I'm ready to add some gel polish. So I'm going to start off first with this beautiful pink gel polish. It has a little bit of gold shimmer to this, and it is a stunning color. It's called Daydream. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of Daydream to all of these nails, and then I'm going to cure this under my UV lamp for around 45 seconds. Look at how gorgeous and subtle and elegant that color is. You could possibly leave your nails just as is, but I'm going to be doing a kind of rose quartz, kind of pink quartz, kind of marble nail design. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that you can achieve this look. I'm going to take this gel polish here, and this is called bubblegum, and I'm just kind of go ahead and kind of like put some little lines down. It's not supposed to be perfect. I'm just placing it where I feel I want my marble or my little pink rose quartz design to go. Then I'm going to take a nail art brush and I'm just going to put a little bit of isopropyl alcohol onto the brush. And then I'm going to pat down gently onto where I place that polish just to kind of diffuse it and give it that nice kind of watered down look onto this nail design. Now, if you do have marble inks or even blooming gel, sorry, some people call it blossom, which I will be using in this video. You could also do this kind of design with that as well. But I feel like I have this little brush here and I have isopropyl alcohol, and I felt like it was a little bit easier for me to do. And I can thin out the line as much as I want, or I can thicken it out. So I kind of have a little bit of control of how this look turns out compared to like the Blossom gel, whereas you don't really have much control, or even with the alcohol ink. All right, so now that I have flash cured that for about 30 seconds just to make sure it stays in place, I'm going to take my white line art gel here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a few lines onto this design. As you might know, with the rose quartz or with the pink quartz kind of crystal stone, there is like a pink and there's a white, and sometimes some parts is light pink and sometimes some parts is dark pink, sorry. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. And again, I'm just going in with my nail art brush with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and kind of just blending those lines out so everything kind of comes together. Now I'm just going to add in a few pieces of this kind of gold flake to the design. Since the nail is still tacky, you don't need to do anything. You can just apply these directly onto the nail. Just take a few pieces, apply it to your nail. And then once you are ready, you can give it a full cure under the UV lamp and apply a layer of top coat. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same steps that I did on my thumb onto my ring finger as well. So again, I'm just going to smudge in that pink gel polish, add in my white lines, and then finish off with a few pieces of that gold foil and top gel. All right, now let's move on to the crocodile design or alligator design. Don't quite remember. I think it's crocodile. So I'm going to take my blooming gel, and this is from the brand iMethod, and I'm just going to apply a thin to a medium layer of bloom gel all over my nails. Then I'm going to take my white line art gel, the same gel that I used to draw those little white lines on the thumb as well as the ring finger. I'm going to take that and just draw some horizontal lines onto this blooming gel and just allow it to sit there for about a minute or two, just to kind of let the blooming process take its course. And once you're ready, then you just put your finger under the UV lamp for 45 to 60 seconds, and you'll finish this design off with a final layer of top gel. So here's how the nails are looking so far, and they are looking really nice. Okay, so now let's move on to the final finger, which is our middle finger, and we're going to be adding some bling to this. So I have this little heart charm here, and then I'm going to go in with these pink flat back rhinestones to the nail as well. So I'm going to go in with a layer of top gel. I'm going to apply some rhinestone glue, put that big rhinestone charm on, and then we're just going to scatter a few of the flat back pink rhinestones all over the nail. And here is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick, easy beginner nail art tutorial showing you how to do some white crocodile nails and some rose quartz, kind of pink quartz, kind of marble nails. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.